So I'm so excited. Finally, I'm opening this product, this gift. Well. Maybe it's given the money and all the gifts. I am super excited. I'm just super excited. I don't know what to expect. I know what to expect, but I hope it was delivered as expected. The funny thing is, Iki2 niliendea. I don't know 2 days ago. Is it 2 days ago? But I have been super busy to open this parcel. But finally, please make sure that you do like this video, shares out there. Talk to me in the comment section as we do this product review. Drum rolls. I know I have been away for quite some time now, like 2 weeks. God, Jesus, me 2 weeks offline. No posting, nothing. And I'm talking for what one and the show. I'm not dead. I'm still here kicking. I'm still got a long way to go. But anyways, let's see what these guys delivered. Kind of anyhow, but finally, thanks to my daddy. Ta-da! Let me put on the music. No, I'm just vibing. I wish this camera could pick up to this. Yeah. Just the way I'm feeling nice anyways. Right at 29, let's open. I'm excited. I think now this one will push me to coming back. I have a phone, but that phone is not productive enough in content creation. I have been busy working. I've been busy in content. I've been busy working. I'm lacking my time for let me get a night music, please. Now low. Okay. In box with me, guys. I don't say your more, come on, it's only a walk, huh? Ik dat is very. Oh, dat was finally. And then tomorrow I'm going to get something else so that you can see if we can kickstart our posting journey once again. Oh. Imewameshikanisha hata wezi jaribu kuiba. I don't know if YouTube is like TikTok, whereby on TikTok you shouldn't show knives and all. Finally.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
So my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So what? I'm from Duke, where does it take it? He can do it. Excitement. It's for excitement, guys. Excitement. I throw pressure, baby, when you wine and pause. Oh my god, couldn't they get it? Wow, I can't help but didn't get it. I told them black. I really hope it's black. Because nishaanza kuona red mingi hapa na mimi nilisema black. Nini hizo zangu? Extra pressure, baby, when you whine and pause. Extra kutia also. Lakini hii kitu imewekwa red. But I really hope it's black. I tell you, for shopping with us, it's our honor to be part of your journey. We love to hear your story. Tag us. If you have any concern, don't hesitate to reach out. Wallahi. Please be black. Please be black. Na 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 na. And black you are. Oh, Shbaz is black in Java. Music. But anyways, I got a box. Anything here. It's just written in China, but we have images that will show us how to go about it. Yes. Yeah. But right now I don't even have a phone to record, or will show you how it will be placed. So I think I'm going to do it after the video and then correct. Doing this video, na na, jatala, me jatala. Okay, let's get pretty. Wow, wow, finally. Baby, Panua. Yeah, and then here's the camaraderie thingy, the one that shows you if it is positioned straight or danished or not. Finally, it's reducing. I think when I place it down, this part we're going to. When I get a phone, I don't have a phone, guys. Now skill theory. No. Oh fuck. This is the bag. Before we look at the stand, this is the bag. I told someone anytime you have to have a bag. Yeah, I can have a bag. And then inside, I see the it comes with this. There's a Bluetooth thingy, camera, okay, iOS for Android and iPhone, and then this one I think is for the phone. Now, when it comes to the phone, we're going to try later when I get a phone. Oops. See how long we can. We have different types of tripod. We have this one. What am I opening? Oh, listening there. Oh, there she goes. The way she makes my. Wait. Is that how? Let's see how. No more struggles. If I told you guys chenye natumenga kama stand, you cannot believe it. Bean. Not trash bean. Ile mango chafu, nekelea board hapo juu, nekelea board ingine, nekelea ile box ya pasi juu kuna kitabu ya kushikilia kamera, kuna hii stand ya hey. Let's see this. That's how long it can be. That's the longest. Record simu kwa juu tuone. Yeah! excited. I'm really excited. Anyways, the rest of it all I'm going to show you later. Please make sure that you do like this video. Subscribe button. I'm going to give it a trial, and then I'm going to record while trying it out. Okay. Finally unboxed it.